28th of August at the DBS Foundation Outdoor Theatre at Esplanade. And this is also a free show, all right? So just rock up with your friends, rock up with your family and your loved ones, and enjoy the night. And of course, this is going to be hosted by none other than Joaquim Gomez as well as Omar Kenobi. It's going to be a very, very